Want to make extra income but lack cash and time? Today, I'll show you 3 AI-driven side hustles you can start with 0 upfront costs. First up, try LinkedIn ghostwriting. Use ChatGPT to craft engaging posts for busy professionals. Pair this with Toplio's free plan for post ideas and scheduling. You can charge clients $200 to $500 a month. All you need is a LinkedIn account and some writing samples. Next, let's talk about print-on-demand Etsy shops. Use DALL or Ideogram.ai to design unique items like t-shirts or mugs. Upload your designs to Printify and sell on Etsy. No inventory is required, so you only pay when you sell. You keep all profits after the sale. Lastly, consider starting a resume and cover letter service. Help job seekers with personalized resumes using Rezi or Kick Resume. Enhance their content with ChatGPT for a professional touch. Create a Fiverr or Upwork profile to offer your services. Freelancers often earn between $50 and $150 per project, and AI handles most of the work. As a bonus tip, use Notion AI to manage everything. Organize tasks, scripts, and client information all in one place. AI makes it easier than ever to create a consistent income stream without startup costs. If you're excited to launch your AI-powered side hustle, like and subscribe for more tips. Let's harness the power of AI and start making money today.